5 years ago today, the World Health Organization made a declaration that would change everything. On March 11th, 2020, the WHO confirmed the COVID-19 outbreak was a pandemic, leading to stay-at-home orders and shutdowns across Canada and around the world. Tim Brooke reports.
5 years ago, the world changed.
Good afternoon. The World Health Organization is now calling the coronavirus outbreak a pandemic.
After warning signs overseas, the WHO made its declaration, and Alberta saw a slow ramp up of COVID-19 cases.
We need to be really cautious about these numbers.
So, schools and workplaces were shuttered, social gatherings were banned, and grocery stores saw products fly off the shelves. But the cases continued to climb, so much so that it's now hard for some to look back.
My life entirely has changed.
Like many others, Diane Sandbrand is still struggling with the effects of the disease.
Long COVID definitely is being forgotten, particularly in the medical field, primarily because there is no solution.
Many long COVID clinics have been shuttered, and private care can be pricey.
And that's a shame because I think there are still lots of people that need care, lots of family physicians that want to help them get care but don't know where to start.
And weaker strains of COVID still remain.
It's a virus that I think we've lost a little bit of respect for, that, we no longer see overflowing in intensive care units, so we think the virus is gone.
There are many lasting impacts outside of health. While down from its peak in 2020, the most recent data shows 1 in 5 Canadians work most of their hours from home. And one COVID fashion trend has become commonplace.
Mask wearing is indicative of a huge community care aspect. And so for me, it's just become very normalized.
Those we spoke with say the 5-year mark is a good opportunity to look back and to remember some important lessons. Tim Brooke, CTV News, Calgary.
There were almost 5 million total reported COVID cases in this country when the Public Health Agency of Canada stopped providing updates last May. More than 60,000 Canadians have died.